Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application is installing on your device. By the way, you can use the Samsung pen or also your fingers, that doesn't matter. Now just you should open the application. Okay, I'll turn my device and here click to enable in settings. And now what's going on here, you should just here near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. And now we'll just go back and here tap to the switch input methods and switch your Samsung keyboard to English United States keyboard, and that's finished, as can you see. And now we'll just go to the for example to the message application to see our new keyboard. Okay, we'll just go to the Google, that's another matter. And here, as can you see, our keyboard is so so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis, I think. As can you see, they are so similar to the iPhone 1, the emojis and our keyboard. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.